This is lesson 7-4, standard form of a linear function.
Standard form of a linear function is ax plus by equals c, where a, b, and c are all real numbers. This is the third of three forms that we've discussed in this chapter with linear functions. We've done slope-intercept form, point-slope form, and now standard form. Standard form gives you the options of easily finding intercepts of any linear function. This will also the form that you will use to solve systems of linear functions algebraically. That's a task that we will attack in Chapter 6. To put linear functions in standard form, put all x and y terms on the same side of the equation. Here's an example. Write a linear function in standard form that goes to the points -1, 3, and 0, 2. Pause the video at this point to give yourself a chance to do the example. So we've been given 2 points, and the easiest way to create a linear function, as we said in the previous lesson, was use point-slope form. So, the first thing I need to do is find the slope. I've done that here. I used -1, 3 as P1, and I used 0, 2 as P2. I found my slope to be -1. Then I plugged it into point-slope form using the point -1, 3. I then am going to distribute the -1, so now I have y minus 3 is equal to -x minus 1. I then am going to add x to both sides to bring the x over to the y side. I now have x plus y minus 3 is equal to -1. And then I'm going to add 3 to both sides to get x and y by itself on the left side. That is standard form. X plus y equals 2. A in this case is 1, B in this case is 1, and C in this case is 2, if you're talking about standard form. Here's a graphing example, and we'll graph using the intercepts. Graph the line 2x plus 5y equals 20. Do this example along with me as I do it with you. Let's find the x-intercept first, and we did that by plugging in 0 for y and solving for x. 2x plus 5 times 0 is equal to 20. So 2x is equal to 20 because 5 times 0 is 0. And then we divide by 2 on both sides to get x equal to 10, or the point 10, 0. The y-intercept, we plug x in for 0. So 2 times 0 is 0, plus 5y equals 20. So 5y equals 20, divide by 5, y equals 4, or it's the point 0, 4. So then, I'm going to plot those 2 points. There's 10, 0. If you look at my graph, there's a red dot at 10, 0. And now I just placed one at 0, 4. Now, I'll take a straight edge and connect the dots. And I'll put my original function on the line, which is 2x plus 5y equals 20. If you're having issues with this lesson, please consult your teacher in class.